Where are we? Look at the images. Some of you might recognize an image that actually began this conference on Sunday. Where are we now? Are we on Mars? Is it the Mojave Desert? Is it Mars or the Mojave Desert? Which one? Which one? One of those images is Mars, one of those images is the Mojave Desert. We're in both places today, in America and in the world. The Curiosity rover is on Mars, and the scientists there at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California say, looks a lot like the Mojave Desert. Mojave, Mars, Mojave, Mars. Well, let me set you straight. This is Mars, over here. This is the Mojave Desert, over here. But being in both places is an object lesson in exactly what we've been talking about here at Transform for these last couple of days. It's the idea that the technology, the innovation, the dreams, the mission, the idea of accomplishment gets us to Mars. And when we get to Mars, we are filled with wonder and a sense of joy and thrill at what we can do in this world with our tools and with our technology. But as Garrison said, our humanity isn't on Mars. Our humanity is down here on Earth. And so whatever it is that we achieve up there on Mars, and however many pictures and images come back from Mars to us, we have to remember that the lessons of transformation, of accomplishment, of technological expertise, of the power of our tools and of our science, those lessons have to be learned and applied back on Earth. So we need to know precisely where we are, to be able to understand where it is we're headed in healthcare, where it is we're headed on this journey. And as I said a couple of days ago, quoting the person who said it best, we are all explorers here. And as explorers, we have dreams and passions, and we have technological expertise, and we have power, and we have egos. But yet, our explorations must be done with humility, with humanity, and after that last presentation, with a certain amount of cheerfulness, which we must never relinquish. We shall not cease from our exploration, and at the end of all of our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the first time. And that is our mission at Transform, to remember where we are, to dream big and to go far away, and to bring back to Earth those wonders and accomplishments, and to apply them to every living human being on this planet who would embrace those lessons, who could be helped by our expertise, and whose lives could be made better by all that we dream of in healthcare and, as was said earlier, in everything, absolutely everything. I want to thank you for allowing me to spend the last couple of days with you. I want to thank Garrison Keillor for that extraordinary presentation and those stories. I want to thank the Mayo Clinic for being such an enormously wonderful and profound host for these proceedings. I also want to thank the Transform team that makes this entire show and experience possible for all of you.